Okay. I'm not one for talking and being creative, so I made a presentation um, by me and my four personalities because I was sick the day that we did groups. I didn't know this existed until rarely, but not important. Here is my final presentation. So my three topics are igneous rocks, which I chose because they're my favorite, earthquakes, because I served my mission in Chile and there's lots of earthquakes, and geologic time, because I love puzzles and relative dating is basically a puzzle, except that Earth made it. Here's why I like igneous rocks. They come from volcanoes. What else do you need to know? It's affected my worldview with regards to igneous rocks because living near volcanic rocks in southern Utah, where I'm from, I never realized how amazing it is that they haven't changed to become different rocks. And also, now every time I go to the Temple Quarry area of southern Utah, I'll be looking for different types of igneous rocks rather than just being like, look, volcano rocks, cool. Um, as far as God's creation, like I have a much greater appreciation for his process of creating rocks. Crazy that he put that much effort into making hot stuff come out and be rocks. Um, kind of shows us how much he must care about us. Here is a meme. I made it. My second topic, earthquakes. They're cool because free roller coaster. Also, tectonic plates sliding past each other. Cool. They're not cool because sometimes they're destructive. Learning about them has changed my perspective of the world because it has helped me see how much bigger the earth is than my little problems. It changed my outdoor experience because although I'm not planning to go back to Chile soon, someday I will. And then when I do, I'll probably, if there are earthquakes, there probably won't be, but if there are, I'll know that it's because Chile is set right on the edge of a plate boundary, which was cool to learn. Um, I think I'll also appreciate more the ways that humans have innovated to withstand earthquakes. It's also cool knowing like God can literally move mountains and etc. Um, Meme for engagement. And geologic time, my last one, specifically relative dating. What I expected we were going to learn about when I heard about relative dating. If you don't get this meme, just don't worry about it. Um, it changed my worldview because I learned that the world is really old. I think understanding relative dating works, how it works, can help us to understand just how long things have been around. It's fascinating to consider that there were so many different eras of the Earth before we came along. Changes my outdoor experience because by understanding how old the Earth is and how the different layers all represent different eras, we can have a deeper understanding of how little we know about those other times. And I know there's like probably a lot more than me, a random college student, knows, but like it's still relatively not very much compared to all of the knowledge and history that there really is. And in God's creation, it's all about perspective. When we understand how ancient the earth is and the way things have changed over time, we can have a more eternal perspective on our own lives and situations. So, yeah, pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Everybody should take this class. 12 out of 10, best general that I have to take ever. So, yeah, thanks for the class. Bye. Now I have to figure out how to stop recording.